My name is Derek Ng. I am the CEO and founder of Mine Logistics Sdn Bhd. We are one-stop total logistics solution provider focusing on customer needs, and we are carrying FMCG, household item, industry product, commodities, and rubber glove products. Our business in 13 years, so we are moving towards to 14 years. And currently we have 150 staff, and we do have our warehouse in Northport with the capacity of 180,000 square feet. Our vision is to become a supply chain ecosystem company in the next 10 years. So our goal is to become a world leader for supply chain ecosystem company. Back then, our business is very manual and also is quite a traditional kind of handling in terms of our internal process and also deal with customer. So we having an issue that we found a lot of errors in the sense of our people, and also lack of efficiency and also visibility to serve our client. That's where, so in moving forward 3 years, so we would like to transform our internal process into digitalization. We can cut the human error within our organization, and also we can build the interactions with our client through our digitalization expansions. We actually trying to source a IT partner which is to work with, and also we found out Snappymob, they have a capability on their development team, on their designer team, and also on their corporate structure, which is suitable into our partners criteria. So that's where we choose Snappymob as our IT partner to move forward in our digitalization transformations plan.